unlike all posts on Facebook at once. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to unlike all posts on your Facebook at once. So just simply open your Facebook account, and after that just simply see that there are different posts that people have posted on the Facebook that you can see in your feed. And for example, you have liked few posts in the Facebook account, and if you want to unlike them all at once, so unfortunately there isn't any feature available for you to unlike all the posts on your Facebook account at once. So you have to make sure that you remember the username of the person you have liked the post for, and if you want to unlike them, you have to manually click on the like section in order to remove the like that you have made in their post, and that's how you will be able to unlike the post for the Facebook account. There is no feature on the Facebook as of now where you can go ahead and unlike all the posts at once in the Facebook account. So I hope I'm able to help you regarding this query of whether you can unlike all posts on Facebook or not. So this is basically how you will be able to unlike all posts on Facebook at once. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.